Good morning, Ma'am Balyada. Ayun. Okay. Hello. 2 glasses ng coconut water. Okay. Tapos, ganyan din yung coconut milk. Okay, there. Saan ko iba? Ito. Ito. Ay, ang dami. Yan na. Tapos, mix.
Ano ba sabi dun sa pag-mix?
Pa-cover na natin siya.
Then
Tapos,
cover with a clean cloth and then tie it.
Ato na siya. Cover with a clean cloth and then tie. Then,
Put in a dark area or keep in a cupboard for 15 to 17 hours.
some cupboard.
There.
Wag dyan, may sabon dyan.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Wala, tinagsalita ka!
Hindi, ulit. Hindi, i-ano,
Ate po, stop muna. I-stop muna ay, tapos i-edit ko na na magkasunod. Ulitin natin yung...
game. Then put it in a dark area or keep in a cupboard for 15 to 17 hours.
Okay.
So, there.
And we're done.
Okay, game. Thank you, Ma'am Balyada. Bye-bye.
Hindi ka edit.